When's the last time you went cave hopping?
Never.
We definitely did not. Amateur hour.
I'm nervous.
You go first.
I am.
I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
For a second it smelled like somebody had peed down here, which wouldn't surprise me, but...
Good morning. We're still here at that last spot out here in the middle of the woods from the last video. And if you've watched any of my previous videos, then you know that I'm out here in beautiful Utah, really close to 2 national parks. There's BLM National Forest, all super close by. Today we found that there's a few caves nearby, 3 actually. And so we're gonna fire up the old Dodge and get out of here and do a little bit of good old-fashioned cave hopping. And I'll do my best to bring you guys along. And then hopefully today ends with a completely 100% fake fire and some good food and some good old-fashioned proper truck camper life at the same spot out here in the woods. When's the last time you went cave hopping?
Never. That's so cool.
This is already more than the cave experience I bargained for, you know.
Same. I'm nervous.
You go first.
I am.
I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
You want me to hold it?
No.
Okay.
Whew. Descent into darkness. Here we go.
Hey, turn your light on.
It's not very far down. Wow. It is nice and cool down here.
Oh, it is like a real cave.
Yeah. Look, you can see where water would flow. This is so cool. Oh my god, I'm so nervous about going that way. I can't see anything.
Ow.
Did you hit your head?
Of course it did.
My phone's not working. There it goes.
Oh, shit.
Oh, funny.
Can't see very well. I say we just go this way. Or not.
Now we can go the other way. Don't fall, please.
I'm not gonna fall. I'm more worried about hitting my head.
Again.
Yep. A little sketchy. So what did you think of cave number 1?
It was amazing. Absolutely incredible. This is so cool.
We definitely did not. Amateur hour. Oh, cool.
Yeah. Super cool.
I gotta get a picture of you there.
I mean,
Lou, not you. Yeah. That Aaron.
All right, that's one half of the cave.
Just for you.
Oh yeah.
This gets pretty tight.
Yeah. So we're amateurs. We didn't bring our flashlights. So this is the best I can get.
Please don't fall.
I'm gonna try not to. Electrical plug-in?
No,
Oh.
it's a 3D printed Minecraft pig.
Oh, what you'll find in caves. Perfect.
Put him back. He's the guardian of the cave.
Yeah, absolutely.
For a second it smelled like somebody had peed down here, which wouldn't surprise me, but
So what did you think of cave number 2?
Also very cool, much bigger, way more space to walk around in. It was amazing. And the bat.
I don't know if I got it on camera, but a bat touched my neck.
And then we heard
It
it
was-
squeaking.
It was pretty.
We got out of there pretty quick.
Yeah, we got out of there. What do you think of cave hopping so far?
It's awesome. Would do it again, 100%.
Yeah.
With
Think
a
it's my
headlamp.
new thing. Yeah, maybe with a headlamp. We don't need headlamps.
We don't need headlamp.
All right, so we're here at the final cave, and man, the drive up here was gorgeous. This is an ice cave, which I don't know anything about, but it's different.
What? Buddy. Thank you.
This one's dog approved. This one looks sweet. Yeah, I don't know how dog approved it is.
Oh yeah, that's a rope.
I don't think you'll need the rope.
I don't think so either. Have to be careful. Oh, it's chilly.
Great, because it is warm up here.
Maybe we do want the rope. Just be careful.
Good? Definitely wasn't kidding about the ice cave part. This is at the very end of July right now. There's ice down here.
It is chilly.
And it is a little brisk, which is great because it's pretty warm out all day.
This is amazing. We
the flannel finally got some use.
Yeah. Well, at least Felipe doesn't have to wait in the car that long since it was short.
Cheers. Hi, handsome guy. You can't have any margarita, but you can certainly have all the love. Yes, you know.
It was a long day of driving.
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm good. It was a very fun day of driving.
It's fucking amazing. Sorry.
So out of all three, which was your favorite?
I think there's a deer.
Where?
Do you see it walking?
Oh, I do.
There's a deer not too far from camp. Fantastic. Sorry, got distracted.
I wonder if there's more than one.
I think Mammoth was my favorite, the second one, because there was so much more to explore.
Really?
I liked the other one because there was nobody there, but
I think the ice cave was my favorite, even though I didn't want to go.
I liked the
Like-
outside of the ice cave a lot. How lush all the rocks were all around and the little birds that were flying in while we were in there.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That was-
Each one was different, and I really, yeah. They were equally amazing in their own ways.
So you do some cave hopping again, is what you're saying.
Absolutely!
That was 3 caves in a day. Not too bad.
New hobby unlocked.
Yeah, for sure.
With headlamps next time.
If you know of any other spots where you can do a little cave hopping, please let me know.
Yes, please.
Because that is definitely something that I'm now interested in. So
We'll go back and bring Felipe into Mammoth. And there's less people, huh, buddy?
yeah, that last one sucked. Like, I don't know if you saw, I got video of it, but like literally on the sign,
Dude
it
had a
said,
dog.
yeah, the dude had a dog like going down into the cave, and then we got to the entrance and like there's no way.
Yeah, it was a rope.
It was literally like a cliff
Yeah.
down with a rope. So it lied.
It was super
The sign lied, not dog approved.
Not dog approved.
Not. So poor Felipe had to hang out in the truck.
But the second one, he could get down in there easy peasy. He loves scrambling the rocks. He
we
loves
take
it.
him back to Mammoth.
Yeah.
That was sweet.
And that'll be fun to get pictures and video of too. Doggo in the cave. I wonder when the last time there was a dog in one of those caves.
Wasn't one today.
Nope, sure
unfortunately.
wasn't. Of course, by the time we were leaving, there's nobody in there anymore.
That's the way she goes. I don't want to ruin your veggie burger. Not happy. Wonder if it's going to get like mushy. Kind of looks like it might be bleeding a little. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of toasted the buns just a little much. But I think it'll be okay. Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Absolutely divine.
Wish I had toothpicks. Yeah, the buns are definitely a little.
Hope it all stays together a little bit better.
Oh. I actually don't notice them being that burnt. Well, I'd say we lived some good old-fashioned proper truck camper life today. Really couldn't ask for a better day.
It was magnificent.
I mean, I know that like usually we just find a spot and light a fire and cook some food, but like the cave hopping is pretty tight.
Adventure!
Add a little adventure into the channel. So thank you for coming along on this truck camper adventure. Thank you for coming along.
Thanks for having us. We had an absolute blast.
Yeah.
I'm so
Hope you guys
grateful.
had as much fun as we did. And I think on that note, that about wraps this one up, guys. Way she goes, I suppose. If you made it this far in the video, then chances are you're probably into this kind of stuff. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And keep on living that dream. And if you haven't found that dream yet, don't stop looking for it. You never know where it might be. You might even find that it's living out of a truck camper somewhere out in the middle of the woods, parked next to a van, spending your day cave hopping and just crashing out with some good old-fashioned burgers somewhere out in the middle of Utah. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.